On April 22, Foshan Wanhe Technology Company Limited, the 3.5 MW distributed photovoltaic project, successfully connected to the grid for power generation. On-site quality acceptance of power distribution cabinets and inverters by China's Southern Power Grid ensure the safe and efficient power generation. The total capacity is 3.5 MW. Daily power generation has up to 11,600 kWh. Also have the environmental protection effect. The power stations can be used for 25 years. The community total income is 96.85 million Chinese yuan.
热烈祝贺万和集团光伏项目绿化成功！